Imagine waking up one day and not recognizing your own family. For millions with Alzheimer's, that's a terrifying reality. But what if I told you scientists just took a page out of Inception and implanted artificial memories directly into the brain? And here's the craziest part, it actually worked. Stick around, because what you're about to see will change how you think about memory forever. Fact 1. The first patient who remembered her granddaughter's name in 2024, a 68-year-old woman with advanced Alzheimer's became the first person to receive a memory implant. After years of forgetting her granddaughter's name, doctors at Stanford inserted a tiny microchip into her hippocampus. Within weeks, she looked at a photo and said, "Emily, for the first time in 5 years," her family burst into tears. This wasn't just a treatment tip, it was a miracle. Fact 2. The chip that acts like a backup hard drive for your brain. The device, called Memorex, doesn't store full memories. Instead, it strengthens fading neural pathways like hitting Control plus S on a dying brain cell. It's made of a revolutionary 2D nanomaterial that mimics synapses, and it's powered wirelessly by a headset worn just 1 hour a day. Fact 3. They tested it using fake memories first, before human trials. Scientists implanted false memories into mice, making them remember being shocked in a room they'd never seen. Sounds like Black Mirror, right? But here's the kicker. When they reversed it for Alzheimer's patients, they didn't just restore old memories. They boosted recall by 300% compared to drugs. Fact 4. Your smartphone photos are the blueprint. The system uses AI to reconstruct lost memories from old photos and videos. That vacation you forgot, the algorithm analyzes family pics, rebuilds the memory's pattern, and replays it through the chip. One patient even recalled the smell of his late wife's perfume from a 10-year-old Instagram post. Fact 5. Could this erase traumatic memories too? The same tech could delete PTSD flashbacks or phobias. In trials, war veterans reported zero anxiety when shown combat triggers. But critics warn, if we edit memories, do we lose who we are? Some call it mind hacking, others, the end of suffering. Fact 6. One patient started remembering other people's memories. A glitch caused a 72-year-old man to suddenly recall a stranger's childhood birthday party. Turns out, the AI accidentally mixed memory files. Freaky, yes. But scientists fixed it by adding neural firewalls, proving we're literally debugging the brain now. Fact 7. The memory chip is hacked. Early fears of brain hacking led to quantum encryption, making it harder to breach than nuclear codes. Each chip has a unique biological key. Your heartbeat rhythm, no match, no access. Take that, bad guys. Fact 8. It could give you a photographic memory in healthy volunteers. The chip boosted memory precision to near-perfect recall. Imagine memorizing a textbook in hours, or never forgetting a face. The military is already testing it for spies, which raises big ethical questions. Fact 9. The price tag will make your jaw drop. Right now, the treatment costs $500,000. But like all tech, prices will drop. MIT predicts by 2030, memory upgrades could be as common as LASIK surgery. Would you get one? Comment below. Fact 10. This could let us upload memories after death. Researchers are experimenting with memory legacy files, letting you save your life. Stories for loved ones. Your grandkids could relive your wedding day through your eyes. Poetic, creepy, you decide. This isn't just science, it's the future of being human. Could memory implants save us? Or turn us into something else? Let's debate in the comments. And if your mind is blown, smash that like button and subscribe, because next week, we're revealing how scientists just moved a whole lab mouse across space. Yeah, that happened. See you then.